3-minute tutorial for beginners. Crocheting a color blocking strap. Yarn. Starting with a slip knot, hold the yarn between your ring finger and pinky. Bring it over your index finger and down. Pinch the yarn, bringing the tail down to form a loop. Hold the crossover point. Insert the hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Tighten the tail end. Slip knot is complete. Make sure it's not too tight. Next, work chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop. 1 chain stitch made. Make 2 more chains. Now work into the back bump of the chain. Skip to the second chain from the hook, into the back bump. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Go into the back bump of the first chain. Yarn over and pull up another loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Introduce the new color. Make a slip knot with the new color yarn. Tighten the loop slightly. Hold the tail securely. Pull the hook through the first 2 loops on the hook. Draw the gray loop through. Then pull through the next 2 loops. Draw the gray loop through again. Finally, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, using the gray yarn, pull through the first 2 loops again. Bring the pink yarn up, yarn over and pull through. Pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Finally, pull through the last 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Repeat this pattern until the strap reaches your desired length. Finishing the strap. Again, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. Pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Finally, pull through the last 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both. Cut the yarn. Also cut the pink yarn tail. Knot the ends together securely. Trim any excess yarn. Adding a wrap closure, Roman knot style. Fold the end of the strap in half, leaving a small section of loop. Place the loop over the strap body. Hold in place. Wrap the tail tightly around the strap, keeping wraps close together until the end is covered. Cut the wrapping yarn. Thread the tail through the loop. Also thread the bottom tail through the loop. Pull the top loop to tighten the wraps, while also pulling the bottom tail to secure. Then pull the bottom tail to snug the top loop closed. Weaving in ends. Use a tapestry needle to weave the ends. Horizontally through the stitches, then hide the yarn inside. Trim any excess. Repeat for the other tail. Finished.